Hello everyone, welcome back to Quiz Intractor. Today in this video, would you rather build your $15 million futuristic luxury house? Get ready for 20 thrilling challenges. Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Intractor channel for more exciting quizzes. Step 1. To your dream life, choose 1, 2 or 3. Which bathroom would you like to pick? Which toilet fits your vibe? Knock knock, which door are you walking through? Which secret box are you going with? Type your pick in the comments before it disappears. Who's holding your toilet paper? What's your pick for the ultimate buddy bunk bed setup? Which futuristic outfit would you choose? Which fun water park feels like paradise? Can you find the real Lilo Tralala? Congratulations, correct answer is number 3. This is the moment you have been waiting for. Which futuristic car do you want? What do you think about these rugs? Would you rather choose your unique house? Now pick the stairs that you want in your house. Which one got your sweet tooth attention? Which TV do you prefer? Time jump. Which future city are you vibing with the most? Time to dive in inflatable pool. 1, 2 or 3. Would you rather which phone case do you pick? 1, 2 or 3? Next pick, choose your backyard. Thanks for watching this video.